There you can see the light. It might be a little tough for you guys to see the light. Hello, my name is Scott. Today we're taking a look at the DEERC D11 drone, rated for ages 14 and older. Let's go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get in the package. That way you come prepared, and then of course we're going to test flight this drone. Oh, look at this. So the blades are protected, which is really nice. You got a nice light on the front here, which is going to make this fun for flying at nighttime. Let's go ahead and take a look at the accessories inside the package. Inside this bag, you have your USB charger. Just be careful when you open the bag up. There's going to be extra blades in here and some accessories for the drone. So when you open that up, just be careful. I like to empty everything out inside the box here. That way we can keep everything there. And a screwdriver in there. For charging, you just simply plug it like this and plug this into any USB port. You get 2 batteries with this drone. I love on the drone here, they tell you what each button does in accessories. So pause the video right here if you guys need to save what the remote does. Let's go ahead and take this off. So this is what the remote looks like. Very responsive joysticks. On off button right here. You have your speed right here. Some more settings. Let's see what kind of batteries. It takes 3 AAA batteries. And of course it comes with a really nice manual. Okay. Show you guys the drone one last time before we do some flight testing. Your on and off button is on the top here. So once your battery's in, you press and hold. Make sure you turn your remote on first by pressing and holding, and then you would press and hold on the top of the drone. Press and hold to turn it off. Alright guys, it's the evening, so we're going to be flying this drone in the evening. Figure it's a good time for you guys to see the lights. So there's a little light. Oh, this thing's actually pretty cool. So this is mode number 1. It's actually pretty cool. You got a red light on the back. Makes it easier to see. So mode number 1, mode number 2, mode number 3, I think. Unless there's only 2 modes. It might only be 2. So it goes down pretty fast. Goes up pretty quick, as you can see. Seems to be veering off to the one side a little bit. Might have to change the trim here. There we go. Oh wow, now it really hovers. Hovers much better now. So you can change and adjust the trim. There's a couple cool little modes you can do, like watch this mode. So take a look at this. It just like spins around. But anyway, you guys can fly pretty far. You can go pretty far, pretty high. I don't know if you guys can still see it, but it's definitely a lot of fun. Great little mini drone.